U.S. has successfully delivered the first ANTPY-2 missile defense radar to Saudi Arabia in $2.3 billion deal. This state-of-the-art radar is the first in its class to utilize a complete gallium nitride semiconductor, enhancing its surveillance capabilities and sensitivity to potential threats. South Korea has achieved a significant milestone in its defense capabilities by successfully developing the first domestically produced engine for the K-9 Thunder self-propelled howitzer, although specifications of the newly developed engine have not been disclosed, but previous reports suggest that the homegrown engine will be a 1,000 horsepower diesel unit. The Indian Army has placed an order for nearly 700 Trinetra drones. The Trinetra drones are based on the Skydio Scout, an autonomous flight system that offers operators enhanced situational awareness without requiring manual control. Their autonomous flight capabilities allows them to monitor vehicle convoys in remote areas, identifying potential threats and providing overwatch during operations. The Russian military has successfully tested its latest anti-drone system, the Rapira 2, during live fire demonstrations at the Kapustin Yar training range. The Rapira 2 features sophisticated radar and electro-optical suite, enabling it to monitor its surroundings, detect targets and engage both air and ground threats. British Marines have received a new Talon DT-300 multifunctional drone for testing. These devices can be used to drop mines and hydroacoustic devices and can also be used as a carrier for FPV drones to increase their range.